Hello guys, welcome to another video from the Best PC Training Center. In this video, I'm gonna explain exam questions which came in the month of August and September 2020, which involved tunnels. So all the questions like Rotherhithe tunnels, Blackwall tunnel, Dratford tunnel, the question came in the exam. So these question looks very tricky as well. A lot of people went in the exam and they told me these questions. So I thought I'm gonna make a video about the tunnels as well. So if you want one-to-one training, you can contact me. You can see my number on the screen. Let's start the questions. Okay, here we go. This is the first questions. So this is our starting point from the cross harbor, sorry, and the end point is our here. So the people do mistake here. They just draw the route. They start from here and they go here. This thing, wow, this is short question, and they get 0 marks because this only tunnels for pedestrian. Actually, that's closed for cyclist as well. So this only tunnel for pedestrian. So there's no driving from this tunnel, Greenwich Foot Tunnel. So you can say it's foot tunnel as well. So you can, this is not a ferry. So you cannot do like this. You're gonna get 0 marks. Okay, so we're gonna do the correct way. So first for 10 seconds you're gonna do the planning, which one is the most direct route. So it's the two tunnel, is the Rotherhithe tunnel and the Blackwall tunnels. So from me is Blackwall tunnel is the closest tunnel. So we're gonna compare this with Google Map at the end as well. So I'm gonna start, and my planning I need to use the Blackwall tunnel. So I'm gonna start, I'm gonna stay from the and to the left. Make sure your line is not touching the black line. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to do the planning again. So when you're going to start the new road, always do the planning where you need to go. So my planning, I need to use this road, Preston's road. So this is my left hand side. So make a little bit smooth curve at the roundabout. Let me make a zoom and you can see as well. So we're going towards Blackwall tunnel. So here a lot of people do mistake here. So this A2 A126 at the top and this roundabout is underneath. So make smooth curve. You can touch these black lines as well because this is our, so we are under the lines. So we're gonna use this Cotton State, and you can go state to East India Dock Road. I'm gonna show you from the Google Map as well. Now my tunnel approach is coming, which is over here. So we know this Blackwall tunnel is two-way tunnels. So I'm gonna take the left hand side, which is over here. So this from the left hand side, if you're going in the tunnel, is always sticky part. So you cannot do like this, you're gonna get 0 marks. So the only way to go into the tunnel from this side, we have to take this road and we're going into the tunnel. So a lot of people do mistake here. They come this way, the tunnel approach, but this tunnel approach for both sides, on left hand side and the right hand side as well, because this is a two-way. But in the Rotherhithe tunnel, the tunnel approach is written on one road because that's a two-way road. So I'm gonna stay on left hand side, which I am, because this is a one-way. Doesn't matter if you stay in the middle. So now my next planning is need to reach to tunnel approach. So first I'm gonna go to tunnel approach, because a lot of people still doing this when they come to the training to me. They just go outside from tunnel this way. You cannot do like this. So you can go outside only from tunnel approach. You have to find the tunnel approach to go outside, which is over here, if you can see. So first we're gonna find the tunnel approach to go into the tunnel and go outside the tunnel. So I'm gonna carry on, go outside the tunnel from tunnel approach. Be careful you're not hitting the boundaries. Now after that I am outside from the tunnel, so I can go. now I have to do the planning now next. So my red point is over here. It means I can take this roundabout to come to this side on A2203. So I'm gonna come to this roundabout. I'm gonna get up from this road, Blackwater Tunnel Southern Approach. So I'm gonna take this roundabout. Try to make the smooth curve. Do not do the line. Now I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna do the next planning. So do the planning when you're gonna get where you're gonna go. It's gonna save you a lot of time. So I can go straight to the Trafalgar Square, Trafalgar Road actually. So I'm gonna make sure you're gonna zoom enough as well, then you can see the road clearly, and you're gonna stay on the left, not hitting the boundaries. So I'm gonna go straight because I already did planning. So we're gonna stop here. We're gonna check our red point, which is over here. So zoom enough, you can see this is a one-way system here, so you cannot go that way. So you have to follow this one way, make smooth, and over here this is our red point. And this is, so when you finish the question, the zoom like this as well. So this is 20 marks. You will get, if you do the question like this, no one can stop you to get 20 marks, 100%. Okay, that's it. And actually you can get, guys, 100% as well. One of my student, he just watch, she's a lady, she called me, she just watched these videos and she got 95%. I really surprised as well. I got 83. I don't know how she got 95, but I put all the hints in the videos. She told me she watched my all videos. And one of my students, he got 91% as well. So yeah, so we're gonna compare this question now. This question came actually last Friday, and other people told me as well. So we're gonna compare this now with Google Map. So you can see that, yeah, so this is our East Ferry Road. We started from here, and he's using the same road, look, and the Cotton Street, then Blackwall Tunnel, then he's coming out from Blackwall Tunnel, then he's taking a roundabout from here, then this road, and here we go. Some people take Rodhai Tunnel as well. You're gonna lose too many marks if you're gonna use Rodhai Tunnel for this road, because it's gonna be far away. It's a long route. So try to get the most direct road, which is like this. This is the best example. Hope so you understand. If you have any questions, you can text me. I'm happy to help you guys. Okay, let's start the next question. Okay guys, so this is the second questions. This question, guys, about I think 30-40 people told me about this question. This question came last Friday. This question came last week. One guy came, he said this, he got this question couple of month, means before Corona, when he did the exam, but he failed. So this question coming again and again and again. If you can remember this question, I'm going to show you the best way to do this question. You can get 20 marks. And actually this is the last question in the exam as well. Okay, so here we're gonna cross the river as well. So the nearest tunnel, if you see your green and red, is going to be Rodhai Tunnel, because if we take the Blackwall Tunnel, it's going to be the longer way to come this way. So I'm gonna take the best route, most direct route. Rodhai Tunnel is going to be. So this is one way. Let's start. So we're gonna follow one way. This one. I'm gonna go around. There's a different way to do this question, but I'm gonna do the most direct route. So now what is that? So I'm gonna show you this thing in Google Map, so then you can understand easily. Yeah, this is West Ferry Circus, West Ferry Road over here. So we were here, if you can see my arrow on, so we are coming from here. So the most direct route is going to be if we take West Ferry Circus, this roundabout, and we go carry on the West Ferry Road. So if we see this one in 3D or from the satellite one, so you can see that. So we are on the West India Avenue, we're coming here. So if we take this one, so it's going to be the longer as well. So it's better if we take this, the smaller roundabout, and just go to the West Ferry Road. It's going to be easy and most direct route and smaller route as well. So which is if we check on 3D as well. So yeah, so this is going to be the where West Ferry Circus is going to be the most direct route and shortest route as well. So let's carry on. Hope so you understand, guys. So I'm gonna stay into this one. So do not do like this because you're gonna get 0 marks. So you cannot cross here. So just stay in the middle one. Try to do the smooth. So I'm gonna stop here now. So I'm gonna do the planning again. So make sure you do the planning where you want to go. So I want to cross a river. So I'm looking for a tunnel approach, which is over here. So my tunnel is over here. So I need to go up to here. So always go into the tunnel from tunnel approach. A lot of people still doing mistake. So yes, okay guys, so we do the planning which road we're gonna use it. So if we use that road, West India and Limehouse, so this is going to be longer in my point of view. So because we need to find the most direct route. If what do you think, guys, if you take Limehouse link, if you come from here, because here we're going away to from our tunnel approach. If you watch my other videos, I explained we should travel points to point. So from here I'm gonna take the most direct route, which I think this is the Limehouse link, and I'm not think I check with Google Map as well. So this is the most direct and the fastest route. So I'm gonna stay in the Limehouse link. I'm coming outside from the link. How do we know? Because this broken line is finishing now. So a lot of people do mistake here. From here they go into the tunnel. You're not into the tunnel. You are on the different tunnel. And this is Limehouse link, and you are on the road now. So I explained a lot of times. You can go only into the tunnel from tunnel approach, which is over here. So I'm gonna take Butcher Row. I'm gonna stay on the left here. Now I'm going into the tunnel now. So this is my tunnel approach. After that, so guys, look, you can see this broken line is start now. So this part always zoom, guys, so because it's hard to find the left hand side. So if I point this dot, you can see over here. So this is my left hand side of the tunnel. So I'm gonna carry on. I'm gonna keep this circle over here, don't be confused. So here I'm gonna cross this one. This is my left hand side. No, you again, you here you confuse. So but you can see this dot, this is the left hand side of the tunnel. So just stay over here and carry on like this. So you can hit this one because this is the highway road and we are in the tunnel. So look, this is broken line. So I'm gonna carry on until I reach tunnel approach. So you don't need to do any planning, just carry on, just quick, fast, because the time is going to be very important. So don't confuse about this one because you're under the tunnel. Don't worry about the yellow road, which is Bernal road. So just carry on, stay on the left. Look, you can see these lines. Now I'm outside from the tunnel now. So I'm gonna stop over here. I'm gonna do the planning which road I'm gonna use it to go to my red. So my red point is over here. So it means if I take this lower road, so I'm gonna take this road, I have no problem staying on the left. So the one way is coming, just zoom. This not, yeah, this is one way, this is in my way, so I can carry on. I'm gonna check my red again, so I have no problem, I can carry on over here. So I cannot turn right, I cannot turn here as well because this road is closed. So I have to find the other way to go to my red. So I'm gonna carry on over here straight. So from here I'm gonna turn. So be careful you're not hitting the line as well. So because always zoom enough on the smaller road. I'm gonna go straight, and here we go. So if you put this direction in Google Map, the Google Map will show you this direction as well, which is the most direct route. And this is 20 marks question. This question came many times in the exam, guys. Hope so you understand, and it's going to be helpful when you're going to do the exam. So do like this and you will get more than 90% marks. Let's do the another question. Okay guys, so this is question number 3 is green point and red point. So green point is North Greenwich and the red point is West Ferry. So this question came many times in the exam as well. A lot of people told me about this question. Actually, when I did the exam, so this question came as well. So we're gonna use Blackwall Tunnel, as you can see. So this is going to be the nearest tunnel. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna show some tricky points in the Google map as well. So I'm gonna, so first do the planning. I'm gonna come here state. I'm gonna use this roundabout to go to the Blackwall Tunnel approach over here. So I'm gonna start. So this is small road. Make sure you're gonna zoom enough. You're not gonna hit the boundaries. Staying on the left as well. So okay, yeah. So I went past roundabout. So that's why you need to be very careful. Yeah. So we're gonna use this roundabout to go into the tunnel. So zoom enough. So always stay on the left. So this part guys, always tricky part. A lot of people think, oh wow, how we can go into the tunnel from here. So but if you know the knowledge of Google Map, this is very helpful guys. So I'm going to show you in Google Map. So I'm going to show you this Blackwall Tunnel southern approach thing, like is like a our underground. So what is in the Google Map? Let's do it. Yeah, so this is our roundabout. So we are coming over here to the Blackwall Lane. So guys, look, you can see, so this is the road to go to that road, which is over here. So we can join over here, then we can go A102, then we can go into the tunnel. So yeah, so we're gonna use that road. So just a lot of people don't know about this one. They try to use, they think we cannot do this one. So just here, so we can turn over here. So you can hit this line because this is at the top. So we just turn this way and we go to our tunnel approach. Stay on the left. So we going into the tunnel now. So make sure you staying on the left hand side because this is one-way tunnel. A lot of people when reach here, they just turn this way on A1261. So remember I told you, you're still in the tunnel. So look for tunnel approach which is coming over here. So we are after tunnel approach, we are outside. Now we are outside from the tunnel. Now from here, a lot of people do mistake here. They go inside and use the roundabout. But from here, from this point, we are outside from the tunnel. So just turn left. So now we're gonna do the planning. We're gonna look our red point, which is over here. So I'm gonna just choose East India Dock Road. So I'm gonna zoom enough. So my red point is over here. I'm gonna go state. At this point, a lot of people just confused. At the end of this question, I'm gonna show you in Google Map as well. What is this thing? So from here, I just turn this way here, and this is my red point. And if you zoom like this, so this is my most direct route from green to red because there's no other way to do to get the road. Okay, I'm going to show you this in Google Map as well. I draw, okay, so which is over here. So look, we start from here, then we use this roundabout, and you can see over here, look here, look, so he's using that black lane over here, look, so to go into the tunnel. So the Google Map is just going into the tunnel now. So this, and he turned just left over here. So I want to show you that point. Yeah, this point is always confused. If you check this one, if you're coming from anyway, so you should remember this one. Then we're taking A13 and Commercial Road and 3 Court Street, and this is our destination, guys. So yeah, so don't be confused about this point. So try to look this part because this come many times in the exam as well. Maybe you're coming from different positions to cross this point, so make sure you can remember it next time. Okay, hope so you understand this question. Try to remember this question, maybe come in the exam. Okay, let's try one more question, then I'm gonna finish this video. Okay guys, another questions which involve tunnels as well. So here our green point and this our red point, so definitely we have to use the Blackwater tunnels. So here's a ferry as well, so I explain how when you can use ferry. So I will try to explain this in the at the end as well, so when you're gonna use the ferry. So I'm gonna just use the Blackwater tunnel at the moment over here. So I'm gonna start. So this is a one way, I'm gonna use this, follow this one way, stay on the left, zoom because this is a small street. So I can see here there's a road is closed, line, you cannot cross this line. So I'm gonna try to do the planning first. So I'm gonna use this road to come to A2203. So I'm gonna just go this way, staying on the left, and I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna do the planning again. It's simple, just go into this road to go to the tunnel approach. Just carry on into the tunnel from here. So we on the left hand side. So we are at the tunnel approach. So check your red point. Red point is on the right hand side. We going, this means we're going on the right hand side. So it's the only way to go to the right. It's always tricky. You cannot go to left, you cannot go straight. So just use I'm gonna zoom enough, then you can remember it. So this is the only way. A lot of guys still, when they come to me, they still do mistake. So please try to watch my video carefully. It's gonna save you a lot of time when you come to me for training. So yeah, so this only way to go towards right hand side. It's enemy, it could be different, your red point is going to be different position. So this is the only way to go to the right. So I'm gonna think about my red point, which is over here. So I'm gonna go up to Barking Road. So then I'm gonna do the planning again. So I'm gonna use A13, I'm gonna stay on the left. So over here I'm gonna think now where should I go. So if I go on the Newham Road, so I can see on A13 there is no way to turn right. So here, so I'm not going to take risk because this is center reservation. I'm not going to touch this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this Silver Town. So I'm gonna come this way over here on this road, on Barking Road. From here I can turn this way. So I'm gonna use this road. Now stop and do the planning where you want to go. So I think this is a better way to go into this, and I can use the, so this is closed road. So this is better if you go that way and come this way. This is going to be most direct route. So I'm gonna use, over here is no problem if you're using different road as well. The main problem you take the longer route. So here is one way is fine. I'm gonna stay on the left. And yeah, so this is my red point and this is my most direct route, guys. So you're gonna get 15 marks. Hope so you understand this one. If you have any questions, please give me, you can write in comments or you can text me. My number is on the first slide. Okay, I was talking about the ferry. Sometimes they put red green point, let's say we're gonna put it. Okay guys, so don't worry about this route, just forget about this route. So I'm going to talk about this green point. So this is our starting point. So I put two red point. So one is over here and one is over here. So one is this one. So what do you think, guys? So when you're gonna go to this red, which is over here, So definitely you're not going to use a Blackwall tunnel, so you must use ferry, which is over here. And to go to that red, which is over here, so we cannot use ferry because it's going to be the longer way. We can use ferry, but it's going to be the longer way and you're going to lose too many marks. So I'm going to draw this roughly. So we have to use the Blackwall tunnel to reach this point, which is the most direct route, and to go to the other one, which is over here, so we're going to use the ferry, which is most direct route, which is over here. So yeah, hope so you understand this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please, if you like this video, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you need one-to-one training, you can call me. Thank you.